In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save as a PNG file in Canva. We're going to walk through this step by step so you can download a clean, high-quality PNG of your design, ready to use anywhere. I'll also point out where to find options like transparent background and page selection, so you know exactly what everything does as you go. First, open your design. Go to Canva, log into your account, and open the project you want to save. This can be anything: a social media post, a logo, a presentation slide, a flyer, or any other design you've already created. Make sure it's fully loaded in the Canva editor so you can see the canvas in the middle and the toolbar around it. Take a quick look at your design and confirm everything looks correct before you download, because the PNG will reflect exactly what you see here. Now, in the top right corner of the Canva editor, look for the Share button. It's usually a prominent button with the word Share on it. Click that Share button. This opens a panel or drop-down with different sharing and exporting options for your design. From here, you can share a link, invite someone to edit, or export files. For this tutorial, we're focused only on saving your design as a PNG. Next, from the options that appear after you click Share, look for the Download option. Sometimes it's shown directly as Download, and other times you might see a download icon with that label. Click on Download. This will open the download settings window for your design. This is where you control the file format, page selection, and a few other export settings, and this is the key place for saving a PNG from Canva. Inside this download window, you'll see a section called File Type. By default, Canva might suggest a different format like PDF or JPG depending on the type of design you're working on. Click on the File Type dropdown to expand the list of available formats. From this list, choose PNG. PNG is a great choice for high-quality images and graphics, especially for things like logos, thumbnails, graphics with text, or anything where you want sharp edges and clear details. Once you select PNG, you'll see that the format is now set, and Canva will export your design as a PNG image file when you download. Now you might also see an option for transparent background. This is optional but very important if you want a background-free image. If you need your design to sit on top of other colors, photos, or layouts without a white box behind it, you'll want a PNG with a transparent background. To do that, check the box labeled Transparent Background. Keep in mind this feature requires Canva Pro. If you're using the free version of Canva, the option might be visible but locked, or you may see a prompt to upgrade. If you do have Canva Pro, simply tick that checkbox and Canva will remove the background color in the exported PNG as long as your design supports it. If you don't need transparency, just leave this unchecked and your PNG will export with the current background. Next, if your design has multiple pages, you'll see a section that lets you choose which pages to download. This is very useful for presentations, multi-page documents, planners, or any design with more than one page. Look for the Pages area in the download window. You can choose to download all pages or specific ones. If you only want one page, select that individual page number. If you want a few selected pages, choose those. If you want the entire design, leave it set to all pages. Canva will either export multiple PNG files, one for each selected page, or a single PNG if you only choose one page. Once you've set the file type to PNG, decided whether you need a transparent background, and selected your pages, you're ready for the final step. Click the Download button. Canva will start preparing your file. You might see a brief loading indicator while it processes your design. After a moment, the PNG file will automatically download to your device, usually into your default downloads folder. From here, you can open the file to double-check the quality. Then use it on your website, social media, documents, or any other platform that supports images. That's it. You've successfully saved your Canva design as a PNG file.